Okay, this is take 3. I keep hitting the phone and it keeps turning off. Let me see if I can actually lock this. Anyway, a lot of you guys have asked about how to get the fireplace started. Here are your normal bank of switches for lights. You should have a second bank. Go ahead and flip this on. This is for the fireplace. Come down here, lift this up and pull the bottom out. Don't get your fingers stuck. My fireplace has been on, so it's already, this is the first thing you want to do. You're going to want to make sure, my gas is already on, but if you haven't had it on, this is probably turned perpendicular to the pipe. With any gas or water line, you see the valve on top. If it's in line with the pipe, it's on. If it's perpendicular, it's a stop and it's off. Turn this counterclockwise so that it is in line with the pipe, and that will turn the gas on. Leave it on for like 5 minutes to let it kind of pressurize. Here, the first thing you want to do is look for, this is, the heat, the flame level on the dial, but you're going to want to look for a red indicator. There it is there. And that'll let you know that this gas flame, once it comes on, is going to be set to high. And that's fine. Just make sure it's not set to low, but dial it up to where that indicator is in line with where you want the flame. Here's where a lot of people get tripped up. Find the same thing here. This indicator is down at the bottom. I've seen it on some in the neighborhood where it's over to the left. Sometimes it's to the right. Heck, it could be at the top, I don't know. But for mine, it's at the bottom. But just look for that indicator, and that's gonna let you know where the flame, where we are with this indicator. This is off, this is on, that's pilot. We're trying to turn this dial so that the pilot is in line with that indicator. It's hot because I've had it on, so bear with me while I try not to burn my hand. And I'm turning mine. Let's see here. Counterclockwise, so that pilot is on the bottom. Now, once you get it there, you're gonna wanna kind of maneuver it a bit until you can get it to push in. So once you get it to push in, you're looking for this red button. You're gonna push and hold this, and hold it in for like 10-15 seconds. Then you're gonna push and click this like 10 times. After the 10th click, you're gonna wanna look right in here. And you're gonna click and hold. This is a last trick. Click and hold this. Once you get a flame going in here, a blue flame, click and hold it for about 20 seconds. Once you let go of this, make sure that flame stays in place. Once that pilot light stays in place, turn this dial from pilot to on. Make sure you still have a flame, and you should have like fire. So let's give it a try. I'm not sure how this is gonna go with me holding the phone. So let me see if I can set it up. It's blurry, but let's give it a try. I've already had it on, so it should be pretty quick and easy. There's a pilot, and I'm still holding. I'm holding this in. So this is what you're holding. You're gonna click this to spark the flame. You're gonna hold this pilot button in, and then I'm letting go. I let go. The flame is still there. I can now turn this to on. There's a fire. Hope that helps some of you guys.